Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, there will be a blizzard warning in the tri-states. Blizzard and winter storm warnings have been issued for New York City and many parts of the tri-state through Saturday evening. Snow falling on Friday morning was associated with a cold front, not related to the northeaster, which is forming off the coast. The storm will develop near eastern North Carolina and then rapidly intensify while it moves northward into Saturday. A blizzard warning stretches now from Virginia to Maine, including the entire Jersey Shore, Suffolk County on Long Island, and eastern Connecticut. This is the first blizzard warning for Jersey Shore in Boston since 2018. Heavy snowfall rates and gusts up to 60 miles per hour are expected in these areas. The National Weather Service also issued a winter storm warning for much of the tri-state area through Saturday evening. So everybody living in that tri-state, please be safe out there because that snowstorm is no joke. Tell me what you think and leave a comment. I will close out this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.